Good morning, Cybersecurity IE2. Our topic name is Backdoor Attack using reverse shell. So, mainly, what is the backdoor attack? Backdoor attack is the attack where it circumvents or the bypasses the routine authentication of any system, like of any computer machine. The main authentication system is the firewall. Mainly, the whatever the malicious software or the uh, virus can bypass those firewall and enters into the system. So first of all, let's understand backdoor attack on a same system where we have established a client server system on a same machine. So first of all, uh, we are using a socket library in Python, and our currently server and client both are on same network, that is server IP 192.168.0.198. So here first of all, we are going to look about the how we can perform reverse shell attack on a same system. So first of all, let's run our client server. So server started listening on the IP 192.168.0.198. The port number is 1234. Let's run our client. So here we got a message called someone connected. Let's see on our server. Here we got a message called client connected on this IP with port number 52290. So let's try to give one command called calc. So suppose here I'm providing a command called calc. When I'm entered, it executed successfully and opened the calculator of client. So currently we are doing this attack on a same machine, both client and server on a same system. So direct, without any authentication, we could access those resources of a client. And in this attack, the attack is mainly the reverse shell. Here we server is accessing the resources of the client unknowingly and intentionally and unauthorizedly. So let's move to the next part of it. So we have created a malicious software of that for client, and we are sending that malicious software to our client, and let's see what happens when client executes those malicious software.
We are on victim's machine, so firewall not able to identify the ludo is a malicious file and successfully downloaded on victim's machine. Let's try to access it from our server or attacker.
Let's run our server.py file, which is attacker's file, which helps to create a connection with our victim through attackers with the help of reverse shell. Let's execute it. So here server is listening for the client.
So currently our server is already listening a client. Suppose a client tries to open that ludo game, or it is that malicious file.
victim successfully executes that malicious ludo.exe file, and here we got a message that client connected on this IP. So here uh, we can access the client. So let's try to access client by providing a command called calc. Helps to open the calculator on the system of client. Let's execute it.
When we execute a cal command from the server, it suddenly executes the command calculate, opens the calculator in the victim's machine. So in this way, we can access the resources of the clients with the help of what we can say it's type of remote login or what is a remote desktop. But here we are creating a malicious file, and malicious file bypassing the routine authentication of a system. For an example, it's a firewall, and firewall not able to recognize the ludo is a malicious file. It bypasses the firewall system and successfully enters into the victims, and server got an access of victim, so easily server can or attacker can access the any resources of the client. So this is our backdoor